everyone, Virginia McLean here. I just received some very exciting mail, so I'm going live on Instagram for the first time ever, and I don't even know if this will work, but hopefully it will. If you have been following me for a while, you may know that my newest book, Cyros Claw, has been out for just about a week now, and I have finally gotten my hands on the paperback copy. And it looks so nice next to the other paperbacks. But I'm really super excited. The thing that I am so happy to show y'all today is that the hardcovers came in. And this is the first time I've touched the hardcovers for the new designs for any of the books in this series. So I did technically already open the box because I was too excited to film it live. But now I'm going to pretend that I'm doing it again. Not actually. I'm just going to start holding them up. So first of all, the Cyros Claw is the not really third book. It's a book in the Gensokai world, and there are two other books in that world which are directly connected. And Cyros Claw is it's the first book in its own new sub-series, but it's also timeline-wise the third book in that series. So let's look at the other books first. We've got Blade's Edge with its new glossy cover design. And for all the folks at home who think, oh man, you know, those new covers are cool, but what about the old cover? I really loved the Juan Carlos Barquet artwork. And hey, I'm with you. I also really loved the Juan Carlos Barquet artwork. And that is why, if you take the dust jacket off of Blade's Edge, you will find the original artwork by Juan Carlos Barquet underneath, which I love. And then the interior remains unchanged. So that is very exciting. And that's Blade's Edge is essentially book one. It was a SPIFFO finalist in SPIFFO 5, which was 2019. And next up is Trader's Hope, which is book 2 in the Chronicles of Gensokai. And again, here is the super fancy, glossy dust jacket. And again, you might be thinking, gosh, that's beautiful, Virginia, but I also really loved the original Juan Carlos Barquet artwork for that book. Well, I have good news for you. It's not old. Here it is. And the thing that I love about this is that this interior cover doesn't have any typography on it. So aside from the ISBN, which I'm not allowed to remove, it's just the artwork. So if you loved that original artwork that I paid a lot of money to have done by the truly talented Juan Carlos Barquet, then this is a great way to enjoy both of them, both of our sets of artwork. So, and it's, you know, and now it's not obscured by typography. So that is book 2. And now, the pièce de résistance. Cyros Claw. I'm so excited about this one. This was the cover that triggered the entire redesign of the series, and I really hope that folks like it. Lots of people seem to have been excited about it. And for this one, I never hired Juan Carlos Barquet to do the expensive original artwork because I couldn't really afford it. But there's still a nice surprise underneath this cover, which is, again, the artwork without typography. So you can just enjoy the cool composite artwork there. So if I ever fall into a pile of money, I might actually, you know, hire Juan Carlos Barquet to do a third set of artwork if that seems like a thing people are interested in, and then that could go in this place underneath. But for now, you can get a matching set of hardcovers that all have the same glorious dust jacket covers that match, and then still get the 2 Juan Carlos ones underneath. Look how much chunkier, look how thick this book is compared to its siblings. I don't know if you can even tell with the spine, but here, if you look at the front, I think it's more obvious. Look at that. So thick. So, thank you so much. That's, I think all I'm going to share, actually, I do have the Victoria Marmot series, which I love, and I hadn't gotten to touch the Ingram version of the hardcover yet, but they messed it up when they packed it, and it got all torn on the corner. This undercover has a fun treat for people who are fans of Vic. They'll recognize that. And there's also my favorite thing that I did with this dust jacket is that one of the quotes on the front is says, "Vic is my favorite literary character of all time," from this snow leopard, who is definitely real, can read, can talk, and is in no way Vic pretending to be an objective snow leopard. Yeah, I know, I'm a total nerd. But I'm my own nerd, and that's fine. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share these. I was so excited about them that I actually put dry shampoo in my hair and put on a bra. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and see you around.